इस वक्त हम चलता टीवी की जानिब से जहाँ पे पिक्चराइज ने अवार्ड सेरेमनी एक लोकल इवेंट जहाँ पे ईस्ट कबाब फैक्ट्री के अंदर मनक़द किया, जहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, जहाँ पे इस वक्त बहुत सारे लोग जहाँ पे आए हुए हैं और खाने का भी इंतज़ाम है जैसा कि दिखाई दे रहा है। हमारी स्पेशल जो है ना नुमाइंदा अनम पटेल जहाँ पे लोगों से बात भी कर रही हैं। आइए हम आपको लिए चलते हैं इस इवेंट की कुछ हाइलाइट्स की तरफ।
अब हम हैं मलिका आब्दी के
ओके मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। थैंक्स अ लॉट अनम टू आस्क मी।
अब हम हैं मिस पूजा नागपाल के साथ। मिस पूजा नागपाल, मैं अनम चलता टीवी से। आप बताइए, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग ओवर हियर?
Wonderful, and I would like to congratulate Pictures on their work anniversary, and Dheeraj ji, you guys are doing a great job and I love the quality of your pictures, and I also look forward to working with you in one of my coming future events. And I love your name, Chalta TV. It's so cute and it's so catchy. Loved it. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Hi Anam, how are you? Good to see you, Anam. And good to see you hosting the thing, and you're looking great as usual. जी हाँ, हम यहाँ पे आए हैं. I'm Preet Sangha, and we are here today to witness one of the most beautiful event done by Dheeraj Kohli, and he's awesome. He's also a media partner with Soch, and he does a lot of pictures for Soch. Awesome pictures. So guys, if you don't know Dheeraj Kohli, you need to take the number from Soch Dallas, or you can subscribe. He's there. Where is he?
He's on Facebook.
He's on Facebook. Yeah, he's on Facebook. Dheeraj Kohli, and we are basically here. And good job, Dheeraj Kohli. Keep it up, and yes, and keep watching Soch. The News of Dallas. Yeah, Soch, the News of Dallas. And Chalta TV, you guys rock, man. Bye. Right?
Nanda Tiwari. Nanda Tiwari, आप बताइए, how are you feeling today?
It's a great day today for obviously picturized photography and हमारे प्यारे धीरज के लिए. So I would like to congratulate him for his success. I have seen him growing. He has captured my events too, and he has done an amazing job. He is very good behind the lens, and I wish him all the best.
Thank you so much for your time.